So the new project over in Surrey, as you can see, the pathway has been excavated. We've put the groundwork down and started laying the porcelain tiles. The gaps will be cut to fit, and we will come across with these porcelain tiles to create a brand new lovely flat patio that the client will get many years of fun. Look how flat that is, using spacers, levels to get a nice flat product. And I'm going to take you around the front now, and you will be able to see what the front is like now and how chaotic and how unmanageable. And we're going to take this entire front out. We're going to put fencing either side. We're going to put granite sets around the border. You can see all the materials are there, ready to rock and roll. The project in Surrey is complete. We have done granite sets around the perimeter. We have put a fence up. These beautiful feather edge panel fencing with a 12-inch gravel board, bird feet granite sets around the entire perimeter of the driveway, and we have put a porcelain step detail in there for the client. We've got a recessed manhole covering. We've got 6-foot panels over here, and then if I bring you down to the patio, you will see this beautiful pathway that we've created. Come down. Don't be scared, Thomas. With the Cotswold stone that we've put down the side to border to give a nice, we've cut in, as you can see, around these drain pieces. And around here, as you can see, we've cut in around here. And this beautiful porcelain patio in beige, which the client can enjoy for many years to come. Fantastic installation. If you come around here and have a look at their property, just the front edge as well. Come and have a look from over here. So if you now see this beautiful installation and how much fun they are going to get out of this, and now is the time, summer is here. Well, it's not actually, because it's still raining. So it's yeah, a bit of a, come on. Let's go back through to the front, and as you can see now how manageable and how usable their home is from the outside, giving them plenty of space, giving them a nice pathway area, giving them easier access from front to back, and also giving a security deterrent front driveway where you can hear anybody that comes to your front door. So if you like what you say, please get in touch with RightPave. You can find us on the internet, you can find us on Checkatrade, Google, YouTube. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook. So please like, share and subscribe to this video. I hope you like what you've seen, and I hope you like the installation. We're very pleased with it, and the client is very pleased, and they will give us an absolutely glowing review for this installation. You guys have worked extremely hard to achieve this level of performance and installation, which we continuously provide at RightPave. So thank you very much, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.